Alright, like, I'm not gonna go too much into it right now. This is more of just a video where I just wanted to get pushed out real quick, get back and have a video up and shit. So, sorry, I'm looking rough as shit. It's in the morning. I'm editing this video to get it up for you guys. Anyways, if you guys haven't already, subscribe, hit the subscribe. Damn, I'm rusty as hell. Fuck. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the post notification so it shows up on your news feed. Smash the like. Is this fan still going? Hopefully this fan. Smash the like button. Alright, follow me on all my social media. Don't forget about my social media. Alright, natepfleming on all platforms. But anyways, I have uploaded, I would say, in the past like month or so. I haven't really checked the date. It's not because I was like trying to take a break. It's not because I was sad or depressed or anything. I'm happy as fuck. Just to put that out there. But I've been doing a lot of adulting shit. I recently had to move. I'll probably talk more about it in the next video. Actually, let me just, long story short, the place I was living in that I was renting, the owner of the house put the house up on the market, up for sale. So I had to find a new spot. So I found a new spot. So in the past month, I've been doing a lot of moving around. Doing a lot of like selling and getting rid of a bunch of shit. Now I'm starting fresh in this spot. It's a duplex in Gulf Breeze, Florida. So now I'm a breezer, bro. No, I'm playing. But I am by the beach now, so I'm cool with it. But videos are coming more. I'm getting my life back on a routine, on a schedule and shit like that. All this other mess. Videos are coming. It's going to be a lot more on schedule. Right now I'm just going to aim for a video a week. I'm not going to push it too much right now. But hit the subscribe button. Am I forgetting anything? Shout outs will happen in the next video. I'm not going to do it in this. I don't really want to spend it sounds bad, but I'm not going to spend the time right now to put that into this video. Right now, I just want to push the video out just to have something up and to kind of explain why I took time off. But I will explain in the next video a little bit more what's going on. But right now, this is old footage of the shit in the past month. This is like little clippets of like random shit, to be honest. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Smash the motherfucking like button. We are the lit fucking channel on everything.
Effing and Draco extended 30 and it's sent on my hip. 35,000 for the brand new rolling rich. Bust out my wrist, I flex like rest on main.
So don't judge me about tonight. Damn, it's my garage. I think my garage door is open. Hold up. Oh, my gym / garage door. Let me close this bitch for the one time.
Dude, so out of all my tattoos, you know which one I get the most compliments on though? UFO. People love that shit, dude. Like my mom and dad were like, that is the coolest fucking thing I've ever seen.
So we just get some tattoos done. We drinking, we chilling right now. Now I just got done, so I'm done with. You still gotta get your shit done.
Yeah, but I was about to get the photo. I just got mine done. I was about to get the video of it. I thought you know.
Yo,
I went all purple with it.
If you want some Sharpie done, that's it.
I got you.
Is it? More Sharpie work done.
Freehand, baby.
But next time you guys see a clip with us, I can't vouch on what's about to happen. I'm just saying, like, I'm just gonna say this. It's about to be a lit vlog. I don't even know what's about to happen. This is a clip of me not knowing what's about to happen. This is me being a little, you know, lit. But this camera, once again, is very small. I actually purchased another camera, but it's not coming with this. But I got this camera so that when we have nights to go out, and we go out, you guys come with us. Tell them what's gonna happen if they don't hit the like button.
Y'all better quit bullshitting with us, boy. Hit the like, do what you gotta do, cause we in this bitch. Don't sleep on us, boy.
Don't sleep. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the motherfucking channel. And if you guys want a fucking shout out, comment down below your app name and like comment. Like leave a nice little comment down below. And comment your ad name. If you want a fucking shout out in this shit, comment down.
I sent you a purple tick size. I said, dude, she sent me a picture. You made some shit though. Like that's how I got the. Ain't that crazy though? Ain't it crazy though?
So crazy.
Yeah, 618 Raw Reese.
So crazy. Anyways, if y'all want a shout out, comment down below your @name. We about to get more litty videos.
About to have a free giveaway.
Yeah. We're still drinking. You guys don't have a YouTuber like this, hit the subscribe, hit the like. In the next clip, I'll probably be a little too drunk, but it's all good. I won't remember none of this shit, but it's all good. Love y'all. Nigga, we supposed to
had to line my shit up, you know what I'm saying, boy?
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying, boy?
I see you. We on camera, so we gotta make sure our shit look right, right?
Boy, hey, look, man. Don't be playing with me, bro. No, for real, you know how I am,
Now we about to take shots, right?
What?
He already took his shot, so me and you gotta take a shot. Come on, no, over here. We already. Oh shit, where do you take him?
It's just gonna give you a weird twitch, you know what I'm saying? Like a weird nerve spot. That's it.
You know what I'm saying? Just a little something.
Hey kids, this is Capri Sun. I already told you all this shit. We don't be drinking over here.
A little brown for the soul, you know what I'm saying? Just a little brown for the soul.
And we virgins over here.
That's it, you know what I'm saying?
That's how we do it.
Ain't nothing
Alright?
I'm straight to the dome. No face with it.
Mill into a backspin.
Kool-Aid.
Feeling like how the crowd is.
Nothing but Capri Sun. Nothing but coloring. That's it. There's no tattoos. There's no alcohol. There's none of that. We just coloring books. We just drinking Capri Sun. That's all we doing over here.
Let's say you want to say drinking a Sunny D, it's called a fucking spirit off smash.
Chicken knuckles. Do you see that? See all them fucking scars?
It means you fight, right?
No, it doesn't mean you fight. I mean, if you have to, you have to. I'm not that kind of person.
If you guys watched my last vlog, you already know about what this is.
Cover life, but we got the high life, but you know.
We gotta pay for it. I'm mad wild on this shit.
Look at that fucking codeine Brazilian on deck.
I'm paying for it. New year, new me, right? Year, new me. Thank you, kind sir. This is on the YouTube, so. Sir. We this way, sir.
Of course.
Well, we're here, sir. About to get in this whip, sir. We about to make this leg not, sir. He went in the wrong way, sir.
Again.
He went in the wrong way, sir.
That's 2 times.
You're getting a whip, sir.
2 cases, but I'm going the wrong way. What did I get, a 12 and a 12?
I don't know, bro.
I got 12 of bottles and 12 of cans. Tinder. Oh yeah, bro. You gotta get on Bumble, brother.
That is cash.
I got that too.
What the fuck? Why am I someone getting teary-eyed from a show I'm watching?
Listen. No, what makes me come even quicker is when she's wet as fuck. That's done. I'm done. I'm like, fuck, I'm about to come as fuck. She's about to be pissed off. I'm sorry, I don't give a fuck. But bro, that's just how it is. What the fuck you expect, nigga?
Backwards. She said, "Oh,
I'm about to destroy you, bitch.
let me see this."
They'll charge you goddamn $15 at the store for that shit.
What? And this shit works instantly.
I bought 25 for like a cheap as fuck. I'm telling you, you take it an hour.
Where's mine?
Take it an hour before.
Where's mine?
I only have one in my truck.
Damn,
I got a shitload in my house, though.
Destroy a bitch.
Take it an hour.
Tell me how it works.
Take it an hour before. An hour before. You know, like you're going home. You're like, I'm about to smash this bitch. Take it on the ride home. Hour before.
Damn.
You'll be a goddamn porn star.
Daddy, I don't know how this shit
Your dick
works.
could be raw.
For real?
Not even lying.
Holy shit.
let's
I'm about to put this in the motherfucking car. You never know.
This nigga was, he's
I'm not
like,
gonna lie, dude, that's
he's
the
like,
truth.
I'm about to save this shit
Hey,
for later.
Hey, you never know, bro. Shit.
I'm Lebanese, you know.
I'm a virgin, guys. I don't be fucking. I don't know how sex feels like.
I fuck with a virgin. She's
I fuck right. You fuck right.
I don't know how sex feels like. I'm a virgin.
I can't go no more.
Yeah,
I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm done, bitch. I'm sorry.
it doesn't matter how attractive that girl look.
It don't matter. She could be Beyonce.
Like,
What's that come?
Sorry, bitch.
I don't know what coming feels like because I'm a virgin, guys.
Nigga, please. You gotta come if you want a second nut. You gotta give me a couple hours.
I masturbate.
Maybe give me a break.
Got a good friend that always
Last time I fucked for an hour, I think I was about 20 years old and it was Club Live.
All right, guys. The next time you guys see me, is this shit recorded? Oh, it's recorded. If y'all see me anymore, shout out to Peach.
Would you love me if I was down? And how would you still have love for me?
Well, shit, I'm about to play R. Kelly remix to Ignition now if we're getting the old schools going.
I got that key in the ignition.
I'm tired of people calling me, dude. Like, I'm not home yet. There's a reason. Like,
Over, they haven't even touched you yet.
yeah, that's definitely a Nate special.
I always watch you get in the highlight, but he still walks out the door with a Cobra.
They called me.
That's my boy's specialty. The Cobra. I like it like that right now.
Damn it, they called me. Hey, Trevor, you know I don't drink this, right? You know I don't drink this, right?
No, you just had one every single time you ever come over here.
Alright, I might live up to my expectations. Cause
That's your beer. I just gave you mine. That was yours, but I gave you mine. But someone just gave me beer. I gave you beer, but
Flight school DJs, I see you, I see you, I see you, I see you. Oh my God, back at it again. In the kitchen whipping, I'm rapping again. Whip it again. Keep a quarter on me. Yeah, to get back to whipping, to get back to trapping, young nigga back at it. If it's too crowded, my shoot out the roof and say let me come through. I'm 1,000 when I'm in the
smash, dude. Did you see that? Did you not see this? Did you not see that?
Yeah, he's about to
My hand's 8 inches long, and that's about 8 inches. So
yeah, dude, he's about to smoke me.
that's a 22 all day, baby.
Oh, you.
1, 2, 3, go!
Smoke show.
This table's about to break, dog. Literally, like, seriously.
I got you. I got it.
Alright, hold it.
Put the pressure on it. Let's go.
I feel like I'm gonna break this goddamn table.
Oh,
I mean, he's gonna beat me either way, but I feel like either way, we're gonna break this table.
Alright, just slap this motherfucker's hand on the fucking
Just slam my shit, dog.
Let me light your cigarette. Alright, I'll start from right here. I'll start from right here. Make it really hard for him. Smoke inhalation.
Yeah, I'm blowing that shit right in your mouth.
Alright, you ready?
I'll start from the bottom.
1.
I'll start from the
Dude,
bottom.
you're gonna smoke me either way. Let's not make this a
Ready?
fucking...
3, 2, 1, pressure, go.
Why do you're better off arm wrestling me.
No, because you're...
Oh!
I don't arm wrestle. I don't fuck with arm wrestling.
Do the.
No. Not doing this.
Alright, guys, this is the new setup. Where are you going? We're doing the saltine cracker challenge. We're doing the saltine cracker challenge. Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going? No. Are you really leaving? Okay, I'll turn it off. Damn.
Oh, the LA. Oh, it's the other way.
Them other fingers are about to get it.
I love y'all. I'm sorry. God damn it. Bitch ass niggas.
It's all just gonna be for memories, man. Memories, dog. Oh, memories, dog. Oh my God, memories, my nigga. This is honestly just recording, just because in 10 years from now, I'll be able to look back and be like, dang, I used to live there. You feel me? You guys ever do that? Like, fucking memories, nigga. Jeez, bruh. It's memories, dog. So much, bruh. So much, bruh.